Hello dear fans. How to tell the difference between gold. Most gold jewelry can be distinguished by the presence of a sample. But if you find a piece of jewelry that looks like gold, but the samples were not found, it could still be gold. You can conduct an examination to determine gold yourself. It is necessary. Nitric acid. Resembling a gold piece. Pipette. Glass. Water. Instructions. Step 1. Make a scratch on an inconspicuous part of the product and, using a pipette, drop nitric acid on it. Gold can be distinguished by reaction. If the reaction is green, then this is an ordinary metal. If the reaction is milky, it is silver. If there is no reaction, then you have a precious metal in front of you. Step 2. You can distinguish gold with a glass of water. Throw the item that looks like gold into the water. This metal is quite heavy in weight, so if the item has gone to the bottom, then, most likely, the item is gold. Step 3. As a last resort, you can identify gold with the advice of an expert. You can go to a jeweler for this purpose. Perhaps the specialist will charge you a small fee for his services, but at least the results of the examination will be 100% reliable. Thanks for watching.